Hi all, welcome back. Today we are going to cover the history of tongue diagnosis, how it updated so far. Western medical doctors and the traditional medicine doctors both are working together to update this method. So in today's time, we have the best version of the tongue diagnosis. So that all the things I am going to explore today. Starting with this, if a person know about their tongue, why the cracks are coming, why the swelling are coming, so they can able to self-diagnose themselves. If that problem inside the body will recover, obviously the tongue will also manifest in the same way. Okay, tongue will also start recovering. So this is the main benefit of tongue diagnosis. Second is, tongue diagnosis is important in traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda or Western medicine. Okay, so tongue diagnosis is beneficial, means important in every of this thing, means every medical system. We will not go in history of it, who developed it, the country from where it originated. This all are matter of debate. We will not go in that. If you want to clear some exam, yes, obviously it's important, but for the practical purpose, it is not important. Next is the coating of the tongue. If the coating of the tongue is thicker, that means the pathogenic factor which attacked your body is also more powerful. So thickness of the coating is directly proportional to pathogenic factor, strength of the pathogenic factor, we can say. Next is, so these are the some of the basic terms developed in traditional Chinese medicine. So we will cover this all in very detail in future videos. So nothing to worry. Just I am brushing your mind. Next is white. White coating over the tongue indicates the cold, and the yellow coating indicates the hotness of the body. Okay. Next is, there are so many colleges in China on this traditional Chinese medicine where their main subject is tongue diagnosis. They have written lots of books, more than 1000 books are there on only tongue diagnosis. Then they have eye diagnosis, ear diagnosis, face diagnosis, even voice diagnosis. So these are the main subjects of traditional Chinese medicine. So the next thing is, in the tongue diagnosis, the basic elements are very easy to learn. Okay, it is quite simple to learn. Only you have to increase your observing power. You have to see the tongue properly in the proper sequence way. The sequence of the tongue, how to say it, I will share in future videos. So it is very easy to learn. Next is, the external appearance of the tongue reveal the internal processes. Okay, what going on inside our body, the entire health condition can be reflected on the tongue. Easily we can see the tongue and find out what are the things going inside our body. Next is, if your tongue is loose, okay, so if the person's tongue is loose, it means drooling. Okay, in night time, in obese people mainly I have seen that they drool. Okay, if a person's heart pulse is hard and long, tongue curls up. Okay, have you seen the curly hair? In the same way, the tongue also curls up in upper way. Okay, so in this condition, patient can't speak. So if a tongue curls up and the patient is unable to speak, we can say his or her heart pulse is hard and long. Okay, so heart is not working properly. Next is, if the lungs is invaded by heat, we have two lungs, and if this lungs is invaded by heat, in this condition, the patient has an aversion to cold. He will not like cold things. The tongue coating will become yellow in color, and the body, the temperature of the body will be hot. So if the temperature of the body is hot, if he or she is not liking cold, and the tongue coating is yellow, we can say the person is suffering from lungs heat is invaded on lung. So we have treatment for that. Just I am showing you the how this development came, what we are going to cover in future videos. The I am making the way of it. Okay, so we can learn in that way. I will explain the body colors, body shape, coatings, everything in detail. Today I am just sharing you the way. Okay. Next is, if the hemiplegia means the paralysis of the half of the body. This is one of the interesting fact I have read. If the hemiplegia in half side of the body, suppose in left side in the man and right side in the woman occurs, and in that condition also if a person can able to speak properly and able to move his or her tongue like this, that means that person will recover within 1 month. These are the discoveries are there in traditional Chinese medicine. So we can conclude from here that prognosis means the recovery of a patient is good if the tongue, if he or she can move his or her tongue like I have shown you. I am not going to show it again, so it's little weird. So if he or she unable to move his tongue and it is getting stiff, that means the person is suffering from the recovery will be harder or delayed. Okay, so these things are the development in traditional Chinese medicine. Another is a yellow tongue coating and a feeling of fullness in the intestine. Okay, I am just explaining you the anatomy. See, we have mouth, then we have saliva, teeth, and this all here. Then from here we have the esophagus pipe. Okay, it starts from here. Here we have pharynx and larynx, voice box. Then this esophagus pipe goes like this, and then we have stomach over here. Okay, so from in my side, if you will see, it is like this, and then we have intestine, small intestine, and from here we have the large intestine like this, colon, and then anus, and we have 2 lungs. Okay, and we have a heart here. So in heart is little bit left side of our body. So if I will show you the size of it, it is like it is the size of fist, your fist. Okay, it is size of your fist. So if you will keep it like this, the heart is like this. Okay, it starts from the center of the rib cage and it is in left side. So that's why our lungs have 2 lobes and our this right lung have 3 lobes. Okay, so this is the basic anatomy of our body. What I was explaining is, if the patient has fullness of the intestine and the yellow coating over the tongue. Okay, so it indicates that the body have excess of heat. If we will detoxify the body, that yellow coating will be disappear. So this is quite simple. Okay, next is, if the patient has fullness of the chest and the these lips are dry, in this condition the tongue body color is, and the tongue body color is also bluish. Means 3 condition you have to see. One is the chest is full, lip is dry, and the tongue is bluish in color. It indicates that there is stasis of blood, means the blood is getting stagnant inside the body, whole body, not just over the tongue, because tongue is the reflection of your inside of the body. What's happening inside, the tongue reflects the same. Next is, if there is kidney indeficiencies, you may get confused here, what is yin and what is yang. Every organ have yin and yang component. In for basic learning purpose, you can keep this in mind, that yin is coldness and yang is hotness. So every organ have cold part and hot part. So kidney indeficiency, in the case of kidney indeficiency, means coldness is reducing, obviously the heat will increase. So in this condition, mouth is hotter and the tongue will dry and the patient will feel thirsty. again and again. Okay, so if a mouth is hot and the tongue dry and the person is feeling thirsty, we can simply find out that the person is suffering from kidney indeficiency. Okay, so the next point is the top of the tongue will be yellow, the body is hot. Those whose tongues are burned black will die. This is the very important fact actually. What it says in traditional Chinese medicine, that if the top of the tongue is yellow and the body is hot, and that yellow coating is turning into black in color, okay, that first yellow coating came, body is also hot, and that yellow coating is turning into black, the person is going to die within some days. Okay, next is, if there is dry tongue is dry, if person's tongue is dry and throat is also dry, that means it is because of the irregular diet what he or she is taking. If he will change his or her diet, the dry coating and dry throat will also recover. Okay, next is dry tongue and bitter taste over the tongue. Okay, if we are getting the bitter taste on the food and our tongue is dry, that means the heart fire has increased. So we have to reduce the heart fire. I have made the video on my main channel about how to reduce the heart fire, keeping point on heart channel, so you can check those videos. Next is, it is the main point said by Ye Tianqi that every clinical manifestation is reflected on the tongue. Our tongue reflects the every clinical manifestation. Okay, so tongue diagnosis is very interesting, very easy to learn. So we are going to learn it one by one. Every aspect we will touch. The only thing is required patience and the observation skill. So that I required from you, patience and the observation skill. You have to keep patience till the last video, so you may not skip any of the essence of it. So the last point of the today's video is, when the fetus is restless, okay, in a pregnant lady, when the fetus is restless and she is getting lots of pain in her body, and her face turns red and the tongue is blue, okay, her face turns red and the tongue is blue, in that condition the child will die and the lady will be saved, means the mother will live. These are the facts which traditional Chinese medicine follow. Okay, means in China they follow this. This fact came from China only. In China it is authorized, but in Western medicine they don't give authentication to this thing. We can explore it by ourselves. We can check it by ourselves whether this is true or false. And next is, if the mother face is turning blue, okay, if the mother face is turning blue and the tongue is red, just opposite of the earlier one which I said, in this case she will die and the child will live. In this we can conclude in this way, that if the mother face is red and the tongue is blue, in this condition child will die. But if the mother face is blue and the tongue is red, in this condition child will live and mother will die. Okay, so these are the history of tongue diagnosis. I have covered so many points here. So if you have any doubt in any of the topic, you are welcome to ask in the comment section. I will try my best to answer as soon as possible. If I get delayed, I will reply it in next video. Okay, thank you.